Number 3, for the following isotopes that have missing information, fill in the missing information to complete the notation. Okay, so here we have an example where we have a 36 on the top, the X on the bottom, and a P. Now the missing information is this guy right here. Now generally speaking, you should have 2 numbers on the left side and the elemental lettering on the right side. So we have to figure out what this numbering is. Okay, well, in terms of what this actually represents, this always is going to be your atomic number. The number on the top, which in this case is 36, is the atomic mass. So mass on the top, number on the bottom. So atomic mass on the top, atomic number on the bottom. And you can remember it by bigger numbers on the top, smaller numbers on the bottom. So this number has to be smaller than 36. Now, how am I going to find out that atomic number? Well, they did tell us that we have P, right? So we know if we can go to the periodic table to find out what element we have. And P stands for phosphorus, right? That's this guy over here. And just know that an atomic number never changes for its element. The atomic numbers are going to be the whole numbers that you see across the period. Or, down a group. They're the whole numbers. They're not the decimals. So in this case, it's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And those whole numbers will never change because an atomic number is always the number of protons. That doesn't change for a given element. So in this case, we have a 15 for phosphorus. So that's the number that has to be here. And that's the answer. So the 15 should go there. So then you have 36 on the top, 15 on the bottom, and a P. And that's the answer. Yeah. Hopefully this helped. Thank you so much. I love it when it's short and sweet. Usually we're doing crazy questions, but sometimes, breaking it up with nice short ones is good for me. Good for me and my sanity. But I hope you're having a great day out there. Keep studying hard, and I look forward to helping you in more questions. Cool new things are coming your way this school semester, and if you want to, you can also become a member to the channel. We just opened up memberships. There's tons of perks, depending on which tier you want to be part of, but it's not obligated, not mandatory, but any little bit helps us, which in turn helps you out. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? All right, bye-bye.